It's a bird, it's a plane. No, actually, it's logs. Don't adjust your set, those really are forest products flying overhead. These days, heli-logging is becoming a way to harvest timber in such a fashion as to not dramatically disturb the surrounding environment. Since the need for roads is minimized and the harvest of the lumber is much more selective, these hard-working, courageous folks can pick up just the right logs for the mill. The need to clear-cut or cut tremendous amounts of old growth is almost completely eliminated. One of the original founders of this process was Columbia Helicopters, and more specifically their founder, Wes LaMarta. Many thought, actually, LaMarta was a little off to suggest using Sikorsky's invention that way. There are two ships used for logging by Columbia, both are by Boeing. The smaller of the two is the Vertol 107, and the big daddy is the Chinook 234. These workhorses lift over 10,000 pounds and a staggering 26,000 pounds respectively. The green economy caught up with Columbia Helicopters on the Mackenzie River in Oregon.
Dave, you're moving trees, you're doing helicopter logging all over the world, bringing helicopters in from all over the world. I mean, this is a big operation.
Yeah, we operate a fleet of 13 of these Boeing, well now they're actually a Columbia 107 helicopter. We own the type certificate to the aircraft, so we build them from the ground up now.
In international areas, you're moving not only oil fields, you're doing logging, you're moving all kinds of things through the air with helicopters.
That's correct. We do a lot of oil exploration work right now in Papua New Guinea and in Peru in South America, where same thing with the logging. They don't want to build roads into these areas that would open them up to more development, slash and burn agriculture. So it's efficient for them to move all the drilling rig, all the associated supplies for drilling by air into these mountaintop drill rig sites. And when they're done, they'll rehab that site and let it go back to the jungle. You don't have the big impact of roads, which is it's a big issue anymore in countries around the world.
What happens when you build a road in the jungle? What do you mean by development?
Well, it's more of the native people moving in that road and starting to burn the jungle and slash and burn agriculture, where they'll be in there for a couple of years and then they're gone. Same thing here in the United States. A lot of these areas are restricted for road building because of steep slopes, soil conditions. They have made decisions not to go into these areas with roads. So the only way they can access the timber is with an aerial system such as a helicopter.
Got it.
So this is 21st century logging. Clean, sustainable, it's powerful, we need it. It's pretty big,